What's going on, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to break down Go High Level and the whole entire SaaS mode and simplify the whole entire thing for you and how you can get started and start reselling AI with Go High Level's backend and start making $10,000+ per month reselling AI to businesses. So let's get into it. So I'm going to just go through this presentation and then I'll share my screen again and go over the inside of Go High Level and just break it down for you guys. So the Go High Level SaaS model explained is, most entrepreneurs believe that starting a software company requires millions in funding, extensive tech teams, years of development. You don't need to know coding. You need to know all this stuff. And that's completely not the case at all. With Go High Level's SaaS model, it lets you launch your own software company in just days, charging anywhere from $97 to $497 plus per client without ever having to write a single line of code, knowing tech or anything like that, guys. So it's an easy way to get into the SaaS space and software space. Whether you're selling leads or you just want to sell the software as a service, Go High Level is an amazing platform to use for that. And if you don't know me or who I am, my name's Gabe Kozel, and I started my SaaS company, FlexConnect CRM, as you can see right here. Started in 2023, November. I launched it. I was wholesaling real estate before that since 2019. Dropped out of college in 2017, started a clothing brand. Did that for 2 years and got into real estate 2019, wholesaling. And I was just always loved marketing and getting leads and all that good stuff. So I just became obsessed with it. And then in 2023, that's when I was like, I've been using so many different CRMs, built out Podio, so many different systems, let me create my own. And that's when I started using Go High Level, built it out for our wholesaling real estate company. It started taking off, and then I started rebranding it and started reselling it to other real estate investors, wholesalers to use it. And then that's really when it kind of started going from there. I recently in 2024, I won the Gold SaaSpreneur Award, which is an award for having over 100 clients in Go High Level. So understanding the white label SaaS, SaaS defined, it's a software as a service, delivers applications over the internet instead of installing software. So users can access it through web browsers, paying monthly or annual subscriptions for continuous access and updates to the software. And white label advantage, meaning you're applying your branding on top of Go High Level's platform. Your clients see your company's name, logo, and colors, never realizing they're using Go High Level's infrastructure underneath. And the cool thing about that is and people say, why don't they go to Go High Level instead? Like Go High Level, they have templates and they have little things in place, but that's not their main point of Go High Level. Their main structure and business model is for people like us, and also people using their own users that are really, really good at building their own automations and AI agents, etc. But if you know how to build inside of Go High Level, it comes completely blank, so you have to build out your own pipelines, automations, etc. to really be able to sell something. You can't just sell it bare, but you're able to build on top of Go High Level's platform, making it easy for you to do all of that. And complete brand control, clients interact exclusively with your branded interface. You control the user experience, pricing, customer service, why Go High Level handles all the technical development, maintenance behind the scenes for you to be able to build on top of the platform. So, you don't need to know tech or any of that good stuff. So why this business model works is, small and medium businesses typically juggle 5 to 10 different software tools, CRM systems, email marketing platforms, scheduling appointments, funnel builders, text messages, services, and more, costing them multiple different pricing for subscriptions for these. And that's even why I built it out myself. Like I said, when I was in real estate wholesaling, had email, text message softwares, CRM systems, so many different things I was paying all these monthly subscriptions for. So I was like, I want to be able to create a product where I can build everything inside of one platform. I could run my whole entire company, have my whole entire team in there, running the sales, the marketing, invoicing, contracts, everything all in one place. So I can avoid having to have all these different subscriptions and systems to use. So, we're replacing 5 to 10 tools. Go High Level, consolidates everything into one unified platform. You're keeping the profits. You set pricing while Go High Level handles the development, updating, all that good stuff. And there's no heavy lifting for you. Like I said, Go High Level manages the servers, updating technical infrastructure on the back end. So you can just build and do the selling and the marketing, the branding. And revenue streams that scale, You're for $497 a month. That is the plan you can have on Go High Level to be able to rebrand, sell as many sub accounts as you want, and do all the branding, logoing, what we're talking about. So for $497 a month, you can then start selling and building and selling as much as you want. So whether you're selling at set 97, 297, 497, exactly Go High Levels, and adding like high value add-ons, or if you're selling, a build out fee plus, a monthly payment. Like when I first started, I did $2,500 plus $97 a month. Now I have $297, $497, and $997 for my monthly payments. So you can sell it however you like, however you want to structure it. And it's just so easily scalable. So let's say you get into real estate. Here are some, niches in this slide that we'll get into to 10K blueprint. But let's say you get into some niches like real estate, insurance agencies, med spa, wellness, home services, all those are really, really, really great niches. There's so many niches you could get into. There's, endless amounts of niches. Whatever you are currently in, if you're already familiar with the space, I always recommend getting into that space, obviously, first, and building off of that. Like I did with real estate, I was a wholesaler. I knew everything I needed to build all the automations to build all out and, start reselling. And once I build it all out, I just resell it over and over and over again for my pricing and, make my profits in between. So it's awesome. Real estate agents, lead generation, automated follow-up sequences, transaction management, client communications, sending out contracts, all that in one place. Insurance agencies, quote automation, policy renewals, reminders, customer care, client onboarding workflows. You can build out AI bots to do all the prospecting, qualification, booking appointments for them. Same with, med spas, wellness, appointment booking, treatment reminders, membership management. There's so many different things you could build out, whatever niche you want to get into, and create a product around it and a brand around it, build out these automations inside of Go High Level and start reselling it. It is a very, very great space to get into, and there's so many different things you can do with it. And what we do and what we focus on the most right now is just AI, building out AI systems that do your follow-up, your lead generation, qualifications, booking appointments, and all that good stuff, follow-ups, everything all in one that, a normal person would do, a lead management, secretary or whatever the case may be, customer care. We build all that out, and we're trying to cut costs for businesses, give them our AI systems so they can cut costs, scale faster, push more marketing without there being any type of flaws or having to deal with, bringing on more employees, in-person employees or human employees, and deal with that. So that's kind of what we're pushing and our angle around it. So, but you can push so many different angles. There's so many different things you could do. You could sell leads. You could, just do simple missed callbacks, automations, regular, typical automations without using AI. It's endless amounts of things. You could build websites. There's so many things you could do. Like I said, it's endless, and this video would be literally a million years long if I just kept getting into it, but it's endless amounts of things that you can do with this whole entire thing. So yeah, guys, it's systematic scaling strategy. It's create a plug and play template, develop industry specific snapshots that solve common problems, pre-built funnels, automation sequences, workflows that can be deployed in minutes, and resell those to the niche that you want to get into. And create a systematic process for client implementation, detailed checklists, video tutorials, automated setup sequences, help them onboard, to make your onboarding process when they sign up, you onboard them. And then obviously, they're going to continue using the platform. They might have questions. Make sure you have those video tutorials. Also, a support link so they can book support as well. Because that's essentially, what they're going to be wanting to pay for. And build your support team as well. You can hire virtual assistants. You can do it yourself. Someone that understands the Go High Level backends, all that good stuff as well. You can find people on Fiverr, Upwork, or you can do it yourself. I did it myself for the first year until I started hiring. And you can add complementary services like content creation, ad management, strategic consulting, to increase your client value as well for when you guys do have clients. Like we have clients that use our system, and then that we also have another upsell for managing their ads, all that good stuff for another monthly retainer. So, guys, right now, I have over 300 plus clients under Flex Connect, and we're over around $60,000 in MRR right now, and we are just constantly scaling and scaling and scaling. I think it's amazing business model. I think it's one of the best business models right now, especially if you're focusing on the AI and pushing the AI space. It's a gold rush right now. People are talking about it. Businesses want to implement it. They don't really know how to. So if you can learn how to do that and sell a product that produces results, you will crush in this space. So guys, if you're looking to start leveraging Go High Level, I will put the links below to our affiliate code. And if you guys use our affiliate code to join Go High Level, we will give you some snapshots and automations and stuff that you can plug and play. So you don't have to build out anything, and you can kind of get some of our build outs. So if you do end up using our affiliate link, or just as well, you can join our free AI Profit Lab on School, completely free. We have a bunch of videos in there, how you can kind of get started, pick your niches, some scripts, all that good stuff as well. So if you do end up getting into any of the other, you can join the AI Profit Lab. If you do end up getting our Go High Level and using our affiliate link, make sure to shoot me a message inside of AI Profit Lab School, and I will make sure I send you over those snapshots and everything for using our affiliate link. So guys, I appreciate you joining. So I don't waste any time, I'll make a separate video kind of sharing my screen on Go High Level itself and the interface and diving deep into that on the next video. So I hope this video helped you guys. Shoot a comment and please subscribe, and I will see you at the next one.